Is WordPress still relevant in 2025? I mean, with all the new website builders and AI tools flooding the market, you might think this 20-year-old platform is getting left behind. But here's the thing, WordPress isn't just surviving, it's absolutely dominating. And what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about the future of website development. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that affects millions of websites worldwide, the future of WordPress. And before you think this is just another boring tech talk, stick around. Because what WordPress is becoming will fundamentally change how we think about building websites. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're covering game-changing WordPress trends that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Let's start with some mind-blowing numbers that'll put things in perspective. WordPress currently powers over 43% of all websites on the internet. Think about that for a second. Nearly half of every website you visit is built on WordPress. That's not just impressive, that's complete market dominance. But here's what's really fascinating. This isn't just about quantity. WordPress has maintained this position because of one crucial factor: flexibility. Unlike rigid website builders that lock you into their ecosystem, WordPress adapts. It evolves. It transforms based on what users actually need, not what some company thinks they should want. And here's the kicker. With the recent AI revolution, WordPress hasn't been left behind. Instead, it's become more powerful and accessible than ever before. We're talking about a platform that's simultaneously user-friendly for beginners and incredibly robust for developers. The reason WordPress continues to dominate isn't luck, it's strategic evolution. And that evolution is accelerating faster than ever as we move deeper into 2025. Now let's talk about what's actually happening right now in the WordPress ecosystem that's setting the stage for the future. First up, Headless WordPress. This isn't just a buzzword. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about content management. Traditional WordPress couples your content management with your front-end presentation. Headless WordPress separates these, giving you incredible flexibility. You can manage your content in WordPress, but display it anywhere: mobile apps, smart devices, multiple websites simultaneously. The growth here has been explosive. Major brands are adopting Headless WordPress because it gives them the content management power they love with the performance and flexibility modern users demand. The second major shift is the laser focus on user experience. WordPress developers aren't just thinking about features anymore. They're obsessing over how those features feel to use. We're seeing faster loading times, more intuitive interfaces, and seamless integrations that just work. The WordPress of 2025 isn't just more powerful, it's more human. And speaking of user experience, speed and security have become non-negotiable. Users expect websites to load instantly and be completely secure. WordPress is responding with better caching solutions, enhanced security protocols, and performance optimizations built right into the core. This is where things get really exciting. WordPress isn't just keeping up with new technologies. It's integrating them in ways that are genuinely useful. AI integration in WordPress is moving beyond simple chatbots. We're talking about AI that helps you create content, optimize your SEO, personalize user experiences, and even design layouts based on your content and audience. Imagine uploading a rough draft and having AI suggest improvements, create meta descriptions, generate alt text for images, and even recommend the best posting times for maximum engagement. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Now, I know what you're thinking, Web3 and Metaverse? Isn't that just hype? Here's the thing, regardless of how you feel about these technologies, they're creating new opportunities for content creators and businesses. WordPress is positioning itself to support NFT galleries, cryptocurrency payments, virtual reality experiences, and decentralized content distribution. You don't have to dive into these technologies immediately, but having a platform that can adapt when you're ready, that's invaluable. The beautiful thing about WordPress is its commitment to evolution. The platform doesn't just add features, it reimagines how those features work together to create better experiences. Block editors, full-site editing, pattern libraries, these aren't just new features. They're fundamental reimaginings of how we build and manage websites. Let's get practical. How does all this technological advancement translate to real business value? WordPress now integrates seamlessly with virtually every business tool you can think of: CRM systems, email marketing platforms, e-commerce solutions, analytics tools, payment processors if your business uses it. WordPress probably integrates with it. This means you can create a unified digital ecosystem where your website isn't just a brochure. It's the central hub of your entire online presence. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur just starting out, or you're running a multi-million-dollar enterprise, WordPress scales with you. Small businesses get the simplicity and affordability they need. Large enterprises get the robustness, security, and customization capabilities they require. And everyone gets the flexibility to grow without platform limitations. The analytics capabilities in modern WordPress setups are incredible. You're not just tracking page views anymore. You can monitor user behavior, conversion funnels, content performance, and business metrics all integrated into your WordPress dashboard. This means you can make data-driven decisions about your content, your marketing, and your business strategy, all from one central location. So what does all this mean for the future? WordPress isn't just adapting to change, it's driving change. The platform is in constant evolution, but it's strategic evolution based on real user needs and emerging opportunities. We're going to see WordPress become even more intuitive for beginners, while simultaneously becoming more powerful for advanced users. The AI integrations will become more sophisticated, the performance will continue improving, and the flexibility will expand into areas we haven't even thought of yet. The most exciting part? WordPress's open source nature means this evolution is driven by millions of developers, designers, and users worldwide. It's not one company deciding the future. It's an entire ecosystem collaborating to build something better. This collaborative approach is why WordPress has maintained its dominance for over 2 decades, and it's why I'm confident it will continue to be a major force in website creation and development for years to come. Alright, so here's what I want you to do next. If you're currently using WordPress, start exploring some of these newer features. Try the block editor if you haven't already. Look into Headless WordPress if you need more flexibility. Experiment with AI-powered plugins. If you're not using WordPress yet, seriously consider it for your next project. The platform has never been more capable or user-friendly. And here's a question for you. What WordPress feature or trend are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single comment. And your input helps me decide what to cover in future videos. If this video helped you understand the future of WordPress better, smash that like button, it really helps with the algorithm. Subscribe if you want more content about web development trends and digital marketing strategies. And if you want to dive deeper into any of these topics, check out the links in the description. I've included resources for Headless WordPress, AI plugins, and performance optimization tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep building amazing things.